Hey guys, welcome to shed build video series. Getting back to it this spring. So my trim that I put on over the winter, some of it's pulled back and needs to be redone a little bit. So I'm going to work on that today. See if I can get the caulking all done so I can be ready to do painting later on this week. So I don't know if you can see where the corner trim comes together. I'd caulked that last fall. It might have been a little too cold, I don't know. Anyway, the trim seems to have pulled apart, and I'm going to try and get that put back on and hopefully get that put together so the gap is a lot less. You can see it a lot better on this one. It's got quite a gap on it. It's really too big a gap to caulk. So I'm going to take that off and try to get that closed down a little bit. Luckily, the trim that I put on with the small finishing nails comes off pretty easy here. That was part of the problem, I think, is over the winter those nails didn't hold real well. I got to get all this old caulking off of here before I put it back up, so I have nice clean surface to put the new caulking on. So I'm going to use these longer siding nails to put the trim on. I used finish nails before because I didn't want heads to show and stuff, but I don't think they didn't hold real well. So I'm going to try these. I think these will do better. Okay, I got the trim back on. I don't know if you can see close up there. I was able to pull it together quite a bit, so the caulking will finish it off nice. And we also got the trim around the window, and that's all ready for caulking. So I'll probably spend tomorrow evening trying to get everything all caulked and ready so that I can paint on Friday. So I'm using just a basic painter's caulk latex acrylic. Goes on really well, and it's supposed to last and be able to paint it within minutes really after you apply it. So cutting in all the corners and edges, and then I started rolling. I'm just using a exterior latex paint. I don't remember the color. Well, I'm about halfway done painting, I think. I got most of it cut in and just started rolling. I got this side all rolled. This textured siding is really hard to cover. I have to go over it several times, especially when cutting in with the brush. But I think it's turning out all right, so I'm hoping I'll be able to get this all done, wrap it up today. So on the bare trim that I have up, this first coat is basically serving as a primer. I'll go back and roll some of the other stuff, and then I came back and after that had dried somewhat, put another coat on that. So I think that'll wrap up this video. I got the whole thing painted, except for where the door latch is going to go. I still need to get a latch that I'm going to use there. But everything's sealed up good, I think, and I'm going to call this a project complete. So thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you in a future video.